I don't know if you can hear this, but it sounds like a car alarm is going off. But it's not a car alarm. It's freaking cicadas. As you can see here on this tree are some molted cicadas shells, or their exoskeleton, or what's left of it. It's all over this tree. All over this tree. Not a huge turnout. It was 17 years ago when last I remember. It was like they were all over the streets, but you can definitely hear, or I can at least definitely hear, that low hum, or that sounds like a car alarm, and it's really annoying in the morning.